Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Does Spocket work with Alibaba? Now, before we dive into that, let's take a step back and talk about what Spocket and Alibaba are. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers around the world. You can add their products to your store, and when a customer places an order, Spocket will automatically place the order with the supplier and have it shipped directly to your customer. Alibaba is a massive online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers from all over the world. You can find a wide variety of products on Alibaba, including many that are suitable for dropshipping. So, can you use Spocket with Alibaba? The answer is yes. In fact, Spocket has a built-in integration with Alibaba. This means that you can easily add products from Alibaba to your Spocket account and start selling them to your customers. There are a few benefits to using Spocket with Alibaba. First, you can access a wider range of products than you would if you were only using Spocket's built-in supplier network. Second, you can often get better prices on products from Alibaba than you would from Spocket's suppliers. However, there are also some drawbacks to using Spocket with Alibaba. One drawback is that you may have to deal with longer shipping times, as many Alibaba suppliers are located in China. Another drawback is that you may have less control over the quality of the products you sell, as Alibaba is a marketplace where anyone can sell anything. So, is Spocket worth it if you're already using Alibaba? That's a question that only you can answer. If you're looking for a wider range of products and better prices, then Spocket may be a good option for you. However, if you're concerned about shipping times and product quality, then you may want to stick with Alibaba alone. Ultimately, the best way to decide whether or not to use Spocket with Alibaba is to try it out for yourself. There's a free trial available, so you can give it a spin and see if it's right for you. In addition to the above, here are some other things to keep in mind when using Spocket with Alibaba. Make sure that you're only working with reputable Alibaba suppliers. You can check reviews and ratings from other customers to help you find reputable suppliers. Be aware of the shipping times from Alibaba suppliers. Some suppliers offer faster shipping than others. Be sure to factor in the cost of shipping when pricing your products. Communicate with your Alibaba suppliers to ensure that they understand your expectations. Be prepared to handle returns and refunds. By following these tips, you can have a successful experience using Spocket with Alibaba. So, there you have it. The answer to the question, does Spocket work with Alibaba? Is yes. Whether or not it's the right solution for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. Thanks for watching.